There's a handful of them here tonight doing a tug-of-war as far as here at Cowboys goes for the very first time. Always good to see. King Max, just an absolutely huge truck. We've seen it up in Perry. We've seen it at mud holes around the state, all over the southeast. Big, beautiful truck. And hooking it up against Big Scott Jones. Now listen, and don't be afraid to admit it, all right? But how many of you are surprised by what you just saw? How many of you thought that King Max was going to drag him? I think even Big Scott Jones thought that King Max was going to drag him. Scott, I told you, it's that quick-cream. It's lighter.
What does he have in that truck that's so heavy?
I don't know. Hard long life. On deck, taking on Fat Boy out of Naples. Fat Boy, I'm glad we could get you in the mix, brother. Nice job. Glad to see you guys making the drive from Southwest Florida. Boy, isn't that interesting? Hell, let's do it. You know what? I'll tell you what. Let's do it again. All right, what do you think? You think we should do it again? Why not? Let's do it. Man, oh man. Kenny Wing Sr. coaching on the side for the King Max.
Oh! He just broke something. What, he break an axle?
I don't know. Broke something.
Yeah, huh? King Max broke something.
We have got some twisted up carnage in the rear end.